I want to give a shout out to Brick, right? Brick is a digital wellness tool, and they sent me this digital wellness tool to try out, and also I got an affiliation code. So before I start providing my affiliation code, I want to actually try the device, see how it is, see how it works, the easiness of it, and give you guys my thoughts and opinions on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a daily vlog for 1 full week of my experience with a Brick, right? So here we go right here. This is Brick. That's the packaging. Let's open it up in real time with each other and see how it looks, right? So you get a QR code right here. It says scan to get started, and it gives you a nice piece of literature and the device. This is the Brick device right here, right? Hold on, let's get that focused in, right? Matter of fact, let's go to this camera. There we go. There we go. That's a lot better to focus. All right, so let's read the literature about Brick, right? So, welcome to Brick. Your phone is about to become a tool again. That's important. We need our phones to be tools. Phones should help you do more of what matters instead of distracting you from things that don't. With Brick, you choose what stays, silent what doesn't. It makes your phone a tool for the life you want to live. Are you ready to take back your time? And on the back of the literature, it has a picture of spend time with family, focus on productivity, explore outdoors, and connect with friends. Place your Brick out of reach or on any magnetic surface, which is pretty cool. So it's a magnet. Very interesting. Like the piece of hardware is very interesting. Hold on, I think the other camera would be better for us to look at it, right? So yeah, there we go, right? That's the hardware. So this hardware is pretty interesting. It's a magnet on the back, right? There is no USB ports. There's nothing to plug in. This is just, you use this device right here and you just go with it, right? So, let's set it up. Right? So let's see how this setup is. Let's see if the setup is easy. Take it easy. Is that Mad Lion? I think Mad Lion made that song, right? Shout out to Mad Lion. All right, so first we're gonna start with scanning the box, right? Okay, I can't do it like that. So scan the box on my iPhone. I'm gonna go back to this camera right here. So we're gonna scan the box on my iPhone. All right, hold on. No, geez, I feel like an old person. I'll put the phone in selfie mode. All right, so here we go. Get Brick app. So scan device. So right here, it takes you to a website to download the app. So it takes me to iOS App Store and get. All right, so we downloading the app. So right now it says your time is yours. Get back to resting, exploring, living, creating, playing, connecting, moving. All right, I'm not gonna go through the whole list, but continue with email, right? They're gonna send me an email address. They're gonna send me something to my email address to give me a verification code to confirm it's me. I have to go down to my Gmail to get the code. Okay, the code is, okay, so it's asking to have access to my screen time. Sure, why not? Continue. So it gives us a little warning right here, or just a overview of what's about to happen. It says how you'll use this. Granted access lets you choose which apps to block in your mode. Screen time securely pauses in when you're bricked. How we'll use this, we'll never see which apps you block or your browser history. Your information stays private and stored only on your device. Learn more with our privacy policy and why it matters. This is how Brick help you create focused, intentional time without deleting apps. All right, so we're allowed to access. How should your first mode help you? Each mode blocks the apps you choose, and you can add more anytime. All right, so I want to do focus at work. What? Okay. I do focus at work for right now, right? I do focus at work. So we're going to do focus for work. All right, so next you got to choose apps. You can block up to 50 distractions for this mode. You can edit anytime. All right, so I guess it brings this up right here, this menu. Hold on a second, pull that back. Okay, so this brings this menu up right here. Different apps that you could block and use. So let's see. Social. I don't got that much social on my phone. I deleted most of my apps. So all I have is FaceTime, messages, and a web link to Facebook. That's pretty bad. Okay, so I'll do messages. No, I won't do messages. All right, let's see. Entertainment. Okay, I think I'm gonna put YouTube for entertainment. YouTube has really been having me a chokehold at times. And Patreon. Okay, those are the two I do for entertainment. What else would I really block? I don't have that many distracted apps on my phone since I did my social media detox. Okay, I think shopping. Believe it or not, Amazon be having me in a chokehold at times too. Like stuff I'm not even buying. I just go in there just to see, I want to just see how much this costs if I want to buy it or not. Let's see what else we could do. So for travel, this stuff I don't really go into. It's like Airbnb, Enterprise, Marriott, Hilton. Like I'm not going there unless I'm traveling. And Google Maps and Maps, I only use those applications when I'm driving. Okay, I think this is a good idea. So productivity and finance, Bank of America, Capital One. Oh, I still got ChatGPT on my phone. Did I got rid of that? Let's see. Gmail's one. Gmail. I don't know. I be going on my Gmail way too often. Too much for my liking, to be honest. Okay, so that's actually a good one. Information and reading. No, I need to get rid of those. Health and fitness. No, I just got my medical and my gym. No. Oh, let's see. I didn't know I still had YouTube Studio on my phone. Okay, YouTube Studio. Oh, let's see. Entertainment. I did that already. Games. I don't really play games on my phone, so. All right, that's it. Continue. So deep work is ready to block 9 distractions. Continue. Stay on track. Get the most from Brick. Allow notifications for timely check-ins that help you reach your goals. I'm not really a notification guy. I don't know about that. All right, just for the sake of this first week trial, we're going to do allow notifications. All right, so we're going to allow that. All right, welcome to Brick. Here's what you should know to make the most of your experience. Get started. So there we go right here, see? All right, so tap to break. Tap again to unbreak. Oh, that's kind of cool. So it says, matter of fact, we'll go back. So tap to break. So if you're ready to like use the device, you kind of tap it to like a RFID in the back, and it should start working. That's when you have the device here. Brick anywhere. Hold the brick button in the app for 3 seconds and start a mode remotely. Unbricking still requires your brick device. So if you want to unbrick, you need to have this, but you could brick it anywhere you're at, anywhere in the world. And you're covered in emergency. You get 5 emergency unbricks if your brick isn't nearby. Just enough for when you truly need them. Find them in the settings anytime. All right, done. All right, so here we go right here. We're about to go into deep work mode. Oh, that is not what I thought I was given. Hold on. Okay, you guys see that? Here we go. So we're about to go into deep work mode. Blocking our apps. Brick device. All right, so it says 2 ways to brick. Tap or scan your brick, or hold for 2 seconds to brick without. All right, I want to try to do it with this. So am I doing this right? All right, say tap to hold the brick. All right, so now my phone is in brick mode, right? Now, if I want to unbrick it, okay, so it says ready to scan. Oh, there we go. So just held it on top of it and it unbricked it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my phone in deep work for today while I do some stuff on my computer and see how it goes. All right, man. So catch you guys tomorrow. I'll let you know how brick worked out for me and my activities and things that I'm doing and making sure that I am fully active and fully intentional without using this phone in certain cases, and now making my phone back to a tool and not me the tool using the phone. Okay, so just before I go, I want to say that real quick. So to brick it, there you go, right here. Now we're in brick mode. So to brick the phone, you have to brick it in the app, right? To unbrick it, you have to use the device. And it's very unique with this device. I'm gonna go back to the other camera. It's very unique with this device because there is no charging to it, nothing to that. No, I don't know. Just I doubt it has like a lithium battery or anything like that for it to work. But yeah, we'll see how this goes, and let's see if this is something that we could implement into the Broken Traditions family, and give people some type of encouragement to buy it with my discount code. I do have the discount code already. They send me this for free, so I'm gonna try it out first before I start telling people, use my discount code. Excuse me, because I want to make sure it's something that I think is efficient before I tell people to buy it. I'm not one of those thirsty creators to be like, yo, buy my stuff, and I don't even know how good this stuff works. So, all right, we break. I'm about to put this magnet right here on my desk, and right now, look, okay. Look, I am in brick mode. There we go, right there. There we go. I'm in brick mode. So, all right, cool. Let me see how it looks in the home screen. So, let's say while I'm in brick mode, this is pretty cool actually. If I'll go to YouTube, let me go to the other camera. It's easy to see. If I go to YouTube, it says if you turn YouTube off, your phone is currently brick. To access the app, tap your brick. Okay, so YouTube is off. And say if I don't want to go there, boop. I guess same thing with Patreon. You turn Patreon off, your phone is currently brick. To access the app, tap your brick. And that's pretty cool. And how does it look on the home screen? So the home screen kind of like Uber. You ever notice Uber, like when you order an Uber, it tells you like how far your Uber's coming. It shows you like the little guy driving or a little car driving, a little girl, little person. No, that's not right. It shows the indication of the vehicle coming to you, right, to your location. I want to say terms that's not correct. So here we go right here. So the brick device right now says allow live activities from brick. So it shows you like this kind of a notification here. So you can allow it or don't allow it. For the trial, I'm going to allow it to see how it does with my battery and see if it's a battery drainer as well, right? Because one, I'm not gonna lie, I have an iPhone 15 and it's a little older iPhone, so you know how the iPhone games work. Every 2 years, little stupid stuff start happening for them to try to get you to buy a new phone. So I think my battery is draining a lot faster than normal, but I'm gonna just see how it goes with my battery life and see if this on my home screen is going to be a problem or not. See if that's gonna be a problem or not. But yeah, man, I think this is a interesting tool, and I hope that it works the way I've expected it to work. And also, if it does, I'll give you guys my discount code. But stay tuned for the daily updates and quick daily videos. Not gonna be as long as this one, but yeah, man, appreciate you guys. All right, peace.